Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about creating AI token avatars. Using this tool called AKOOL, it offers streaming avatars, token avatars, video translation, face swap, image generation, and token photos. I'm going to take you step by step into how to using it and get the best of it. And all the links of the tools used in this video will be in the description box with all the discounts available. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us and motivate us and make more videos like this. After signing up to AKOOL using your Google account or Discord account, I personally prefer my Google account, you get instant 100 credits first to try the tool. The first page will offer you favorite tools, streaming avatars, token avatars, video translation, and face swap. We are interested in token avatars. You click on it. In the generation dashboard, you have two options, upload avatar video or generate avatar. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate an avatar from zero. You click on generate avatar. You have two options, with a description or with an image. If you have an image of you or an image of an AI generated avatar, you can use it. Or you can generate an avatar using a text. Click on generate with image. And I have my own pre-made avatar using Leonardo AI. I'm going to leave a video for that if you want to know how to create your AI photo avatar. Click on upload new image. Once you upload the image, it will be on landscape. You can choose portrait if your image is portrait. Click portrait. Select the frame. Click confirm. Once the avatar is uploaded, you will get a AI generated description for it. Keep the camera fixed, frame the person centrally, ensure that the person's hands remain out of the frame while they are speaking. You can adjust up to 500 description. This one seems perfect for my case. I'm going to keep it like this. Click on generate avatar. It will cost you 20 credits. You will be left with 80 credits out of your 300 first time use credits. Click on generate avatar. As you see, the avatar is added to the pre-made avatar list. Click on it and scroll a little bit down. Here's your scripts area. This box is made for what the avatar will say. So here you can paste up to 5,000 characters. Once you finish your script, you will notice this option. It's for the voice. Click on it. You have two options. You can upload a voice clone, which means your own voice clone that you can make using AI, or you can generate a voice tone using AI. Here you get 8 recommendations based on country, France, Korea, Japan, etc. If you want to test a voice, you click on this little button.
The Matrix series is a classic sci-fi action.
Once you think it's perfect for your avatar, you select it, click select. If you click on this button, it will reset your avatar. This one is for face swap. If you have an avatar and you want to replace the face, this is your video aspect ratio. Keep it this way for short form content. And image is the background, as you see right here where your avatar is being located. You can remove watermark, but you can't as a free user. Once everything is done, click on generate premium results. You will see that you have the option up to 4K but it's a pro locked. We'll go with 5 credits with 1080p. Okay, the processing is going on. You have the option to generate another one while this is being generated. It's a cool feature and time saving if you are working on multiple projects. But for now, we will just wait. Video is generated successfully. Let's check the results. Hit go.
Let's learn how to create AI avatar videos on FindMyAITool-io channel.
Okay, if you click on these 3 dots, you have the option to download, change the playback speed, or make the video float while doing something else. If you click download, it will automatically go to your download queue. And that's it. If you notice, we spent 20 credits for generating the avatar model and 5 for making it lip sync the script. Total of 15 for a short talking AI avatar. If you click on upgrade, you can see the plan we are using right now that offers 25 images or 1.5 minutes of videos and so on. If you go with the first ever plan, the Pro plan, you will get the watermark removal and 3 customized instant avatars, and you can upload bigger files and so on. Don't forget to check the link in the description box for discounts if you're going to pay for AKOOL plans. If you go back to the main page, you will see that your recent results are going to be right here, which means you can add multiple of them, or click view all to see all of them. You have a community tab, click on it. Here you can see what users are creating. You can like them or get an inspiration, create similar. You can filter them, talking avatars, face swap, talking photos, and image generations. Scroll, limitless community interactions. Also, AKOOL has a mobile app that you can try on your phone. That's it for today's video. As a final thoughts, I personally think AKOOL is a solid AI tool. It gives you amazing results. As a free user, you get 100 credits, which I think is enough to try out basic features, and you can make up your mind if you want to invest in it or not. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about AKOOL? If you already have tried it, is it very useful for you? And now, see you in the next tutorial.